Good morning, everyone. Today, we will be looking at how effective communication between parents and teachers can help ensure that all children receive the best education and best outcomes. Let's begin. As caring parents, communication with our child's teacher is essential for providing our children with the best education possible. Knowing how and when to communicate, however, can be difficult to navigate. In this presentation, we will look into the benefits of regular communication, the types of communication channels available, potential barriers to communication, the importance of listening, and how to tie it all together with a conclusion. By understanding these key areas, we can ensure that our communication with our child's teacher is effective and beneficial in helping our children grow. It is essential for parents to develop strong communication channels with their child's teacher in order to ensure their child's lifelong success. We all understand the importance of our children's academic, social and emotional development, and maintaining an open dialogue with their teacher is key. Through effective communication, parents are able to get a better understanding of their child's progress and needs, allowing us to work in partnership with the teacher to provide them with the best possible support. 2. It is essential that you stay in touch with your child's teacher in order to be informed and up to date with your child's educational progress. Regular communication is known to have a powerful effect on a child's growth, as studies have shown that those whose parents are actively involved have higher grades and test scores, attend school more often, have better social skills, and move on to pursue further education. By staying in the loop and taking advantage of the tools available to you, you can be sure to provide your child with the best possible support. 2. When it comes to building strong communication channels with your child's teacher, there are several options available. Email offers convenience but can be impersonal, while phone calls provide a more personal touch. An in-person meeting is ideal for discussing sensitive or complex topics, but requires scheduling and may require travel time and expenses. To make the most out of any of these communication channels, it is important to be clear and concise in your message, actively listen, and make sure any confusion is addressed with questions. Parents must maintain communication with their child's teacher in order to support their students' education. Certain issues can make communication difficult, such as language, cultural differences, and time. However, there are strategies to overcome these, including using translation services, being aware of cultural differences, and altering communication styles. Implementing these strategies can allow for more efficient communication with the teacher. Building strong and open communication channels between ourselves as parents and our children's teachers is essential. Listening, without interruptions or distractions, is a key element in creating an effective dialogue. Asking relevant clarifying questions shows engagement, and summarizing what was said can help to better remember it and demonstrate attentiveness. Through these measures, we can maintain a positive and open relationship with our children's teachers and ensure that we stay informed. When it comes to helping students succeed in school, establishing an effective line of communication between parents and teachers is key. We discussed different types of communication channels, common barriers to effective communication, and the importance of active listening. Making sure to stay in touch with your child's teacher will go a long way in ensuring they get the best education possible.